Before we begin today's video, I'd like to give a special shout out to Allie, third grade student of the month. I am so proud of you, Allie. And to all the students in Mr. Sargent's pack, hope you're having a great break. You are missed.
Great day, students, and welcome to day 8 of our LabMas celebration. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to be serious for a moment. Today's video is definitely a serious video. It just has me in it today. We're not going to have Dr. Doubt, where it's just me today. Because today's video is about germs. And we're going to be learning some different ways that we can be safe out there, as well as take care of others. So let's go ahead and start the video. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you may or may not have noticed, but today I am wearing a mask. I know, you probably didn't even notice it, did you? I know you did. Now, does anyone out there know why we are wearing masks right now? Yeah, that is correct. If you watch the news, if you read the papers, if you look on the internet, COVID is everywhere. But it's not just COVID. We got flu season coming. We have colds. We have other sicknesses and illnesses out there. And ladies and gentlemen, we need to do whatever we can to remain healthy. So today's video is dedicated to learning a little bit more about keeping healthy. We're going to be learning about why washing our hands is so important and why germs are so afraid of soap. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the lab and let's go talk a little bit more about germs. I want to thank everybody for joining me today for a very special day of LabMas. Now, today's focus, as you heard earlier in the video, is about germs. Now, I think there's a lot of fear out there over germs, and you know what? Sometimes for some good reason. But today I'm going to show you the importance of washing your hands. All right? So we're going to simulate how germs spread, especially when we don't wash our hands. So my materials today, I have a plate, and I already have some water on it, and I have what's going to simulate our germs, some pepper. So the first thing I am going to do here, ladies and gentlemen, is I am going to take my pepper and spread it out on the plate. Now we'll get a couple close-ups of how this looks, and you can put as much or as little as you need. For right now, it doesn't matter, and you can definitely smell the pepper. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, when we don't wash our hands, the germs do stay on our hands, and then they can spread to other things. And I just wanted to show you this today in this quick and easy LabMas Day experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to put my hand on the plate. Now, what do you think is going to happen? Well, one's going to get wet, but what do you think is going to happen with the pepper? Let's find out. Now, if you notice, if you do a close-up here, you can actually see pepper granules have stuck to my hand. Well, this represents what happens with germs, ladies and gentlemen. When we touch things, we touch the things that have been touched, like a doorknob or a rail on a stairway, that have been touched by many, many people. Now, of course, we spread our germs on there, and they spread us their germs as well. And honestly, I don't think I want other people's germs on me. Now, germs could be spread by touching in the air, in our water, but still, are these things that we should be afraid of? Not always. Ladies and gentlemen, inside you, they have created antibodies that will fight any germs or any harmful germs that are out there. But in some cases, such as the situation that we're dealing with now with COVID and flu season and cold season, it's very important that we wash our hands. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to change the experiment a little bit, and I'm going to dump this water out and get some fresh water. I'm actually going to wipe down the plate as well, just to make sure we have a control thing here. We are going to put some water back on it. All right, there we go. There's our water. I'm gonna go ahead and put my pepper back on there. Oh, we're gonna load that right up. But this time what I'm gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, is I am going to put some soap or antibacterial soap on my hands. So what do you think is gonna happen when I put the soap on my hands? Do you think that the pepper slash the germs will stick to my hand? Well, let's find out. So I've coated my hand with soap. Now let's see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, you can tell where I put the soap in and where I didn't, can't you? This is why we take so much time in washing our hands. You can see right there how in some places, no pepper, AKA no germs. But in some places where I didn't wash completely, I still have some pepper, or in this case, some germs. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you one more thing, and just to show you the power of soap, I'm gonna show you in a slow-mo how soap reacts, or how germs react to soap. So as you can see, germs do not stand a chance. As long as we wash our hands, we wear our masks, and we take care of ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. This is one of those lessons you can easily do at home. But definitely, as you're out on break, ladies and gentlemen, have fun, spend time with your family, but most of all, ladies and gentlemen, be safe.